everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Squarespace to create a professional website for your childcare business. A website is essential for showcasing your services, attracting new families, and providing important information to families. By the end of this video, you'll know the basics of using Squarespace, what elements to include on your site, and how to personalize a template to fit your needs. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Squarespace, how to build your own site, and elements to include in your new website. Having a professional website is crucial for your childcare business. It serves as a central hub for information, making it easy for families to learn about your services and get in touch with you. A website also enhances your credibility and can help attract new clients through online searches. Additionally, it allows you to showcase your programs and share updates, keeping your community engaged and informed. We'll be using Squarespace, an all-in-one website building and hosting platform that enables users to create professional websites with ease, thanks to its intuitive interface and customizable templates. It also offers integrated features such as e-commerce, blogging, and analytics, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. First, let's discuss the basic elements every childcare website should have. Start with an engaging homepage that introduces your business and captivates visitors. Follow this with an About Us section that details your childcare philosophy, history, and staff, helping families understand your values and background. The Services page should provide a detailed description of the services you offer, giving families a clear idea of what to expect. Include a testimonial section with reviews and feedback from families to build trust and credibility. Ensure your contact information is easily accessible, providing simple ways for families to get in touch with you. Finally, maintain a blog or updates section to regularly engage your audience with new articles and updates about your business. Let's walk through the process of creating a website with Squarespace. First, go to squarespace.com in your web browser. From there, click on either the Get Started button to create an account with Squarespace or log in to log into an existing one. Once you create and log into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Squarespace offers a variety of templates to help you get started with your site. This is the easiest way to build a professional-looking site. To start, click the Create Website button on the right. From here, you can either answer the questions Squarespace asks or click on the Browse Templates button. Squarespace has a variety of templates categorized by topic. Browse through the options and select a template that fits your style and needs. Once you've found a template that you like, click on the template, and then click Start with this design to personalize and begin editing your new site. To edit this page, click on the Edit button. From here, you can edit any aspect of this page. To change text, simply click on a text box and start typing. To replace images, click on an image, click Edit, and click Replace to add your own photo. Personalizing your site helps create a unique and professional look that reflects your brand. Let's go over some basic functions of Squarespace. The platform is designed to be user-friendly with drag-and-drop functionality. You can add new pages by clicking Pages in the sidebar, and then the plus button to add a new page. You can choose to add a blank page, a page from a template on the site, or other features. Let's use a page layout. Like before, you can scroll through and choose a design for your page. The designs are categorized by the purpose of the page. Let's say you want to add an About page. Choose an option that looks best to you. To utilize Squarespace's SEO tools, click on the gear next to the page you're working on, and then click SEO. From here, you can see how your site would come up through search results and add a title and description to make your page look more appealing. For further customization, consider setting up a custom domain name for your site. Go to your account dashboard and click the three dots next to your site. Then click Settings. Then choose Domains and Email. Then click Domains. Squarespace allows you to purchase and connect a domain directly through their platform, making it easy to create a memorable web address that aligns with your business name. Integrating your social media accounts with your website can help drive engagement and keep your audiences updated. Squarespace allows you to connect various social media platforms, display feeds, and add social sharing buttons to your site. To add your social media to your site, click on the Add Block button, then scroll down and choose Social Links to add your social media links to your site. You can drag and drop this box anywhere you'd like. From here, click the Edit button, then add Social Link. Copy and paste the link to your social media page in the box, and an icon will appear that links to your page. Squarespace also offers built-in analytics tools to help you monitor your website traffic and understand your audience better. To review your analytics, go down to the Analytics button. From here, you can track visitor numbers, see which pages are most popular, and gain insights into how users interact with your site. This data can help you make informed decisions and improve your website over time. Your website should include detailed information about your childcare programs, enrollment procedures, pricing, daily schedules, policies, and resources for families. Providing comprehensive and transparent information helps build trust with potential families and makes it easier for them to understand your services. Creating a website with Squarespace is straightforward and highly beneficial for your childcare business. By including essential elements, personalizing your template, and providing detailed information, you can create a professional online website that attracts and informs families. Give Squarespace a try and see how it can help elevate your childcare business.